What's up? Let's do a quick Google search in an incognito browser for the keyword funnels. Funnels. F-U-N-N-E-L-S. Let's do our Google search. Number 1, Neil Patel. Next is Crazy Egg. Then is Keep. Then we have Amazon. Then we have WebEngage. Then we have Wikipedia. Then we have the unicorn ClickFunnels. Then Sales Funnel. And then Marketing Funnels for Beginners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ClickFunnels, the unicorn that is all about funnels, is ranked number 7 on Google for the keyword funnels. I'm John Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of the software development firm Tier 5. Now, would you like to see me get ranked number 1 by Google for the keyword funnels and actually beat ClickFunnels, who is like the industry leader in funnel building software? Would you like to see me get ranked number 1 while they're ranked number 7 without me having to do any type of crazy SEO voodoo or magic, or hire an SEO guru and literally spend tens of thousands of dollars on content creation and SEO optimization to get ranked on Google number 1 for funnels? Would you like to see me come out of nowhere and within just a few days or maybe a week actually get ranked at the top of Google and have my listing ranked at the top of Google virtually for free while I'm not ranked anywhere? If you would, just fill out the information below and I'll get you access to the case study where I show you literally exactly step by step over the shoulder how I can come out of nowhere and get ranked virtually number 1 on Google for virtually any keyword that I want, regardless of the competition.